We're going to Davidstow airfield in Camelford airfield.
What, you reckon you can just pull up on this airstrip?
I think so, yeah. Well, you don't have to pull up, but I think you can just have a bop around on it.
If Grace, I'll come back tomorrow with the car.
Ah, yeah, good idea.
You can pick any bike. Oh, fucking smoke, yeah.
Oh, swearing. I'll pick that, that Aprilla. I'll take the double R, and I'm absolutely... Oh, you'll be left for dust.
You know I'm getting it serviced tomorrow, that bike.
Yeah, so it'll be fresh after a service. Little fact for... A few facts actually. I've got 2 facts about Camelford airfield, or Davidstow, or Davidstow, however you want to say it, airfield. It used to be a Formula 1 track in the 50s, and it's an airfield, and that's it. That's your lot. I'm sure there's other facts, but I don't know any.
Yeah, bring your A game for this, you sir, boy.
Oh, I'm not going to be able to do this. Well, you shit.
Every time I go to put my right foot down now, I think I'm going to fall off.
We're nearly at the Davidstow's airfield. I think it might be left where he's going.
Yeah. But that is a cheese factory, isn't it?
Dunno. Davidstow chimneys. I'm sure we'll drive over the airfield now in a minute. Watch out for the sheepsies.
Ah, right, you got to actually cross the airfield.
Yeah.
You get me. It's straight out.
I don't think this one is. This is a bit rough, isn't it? It's a bit gravelly. Maybe this next one. Yeah, the next one was.
Oh, he's shooting at tonight over.
Go left, it looks a bit clearer, the left one. Well, I thought it'd being a bit more maintained than this.
Aircraft take off from this runway.
Yeah, they'd seen, Matt said he'd seen one land there.
Oh, this shit.
Yeah.
He's definitely thinking that, that's it.
Well, it's not gone according to plan, guys, as you can see. It's really rough.
Almost.
Sugar.
What do you imagine launching the car off there, boy?
Nah.
Reckon you'll be able to do a U-turn there?
Oh, on a big dip then. You struggle. That was really not very good. Oh. Jesus. Fucking hell. Gotta go to that building over there. Oh, flipping Nora's.
Oh yeah,
This look a bit better. Oh, the one on the right looks a bit better. And the left there.
look how far it goes on down there.
Just, I've not put the right tyres on for this.
Gravel there.
Oh, I don't know about going over there, boy. Well, that was disappointing.
I only want to turn right now in case you drop it. We can be on the same side.
You could do another one of your wheelies here.
Imagine how much concrete things used to do this.
It's got to be about 32. That was a big one.
Oh man, it's different for
Are you joking, aren't you?
Hey,
Are you going up it?
that's it, yeah.
Why?
Oh, I don't know what.
Hey, that looks like a decent... Oh no, it's not. It's a bit thin, isn't it, the road?
You're alright now.
Which way are we going? Left?
Won't ride you. Sweating then.
It's what?
Sweating then. Which way home is it? Turn round.
Well, you can... Yeah, possibly.
There's a petrol station there as well.
Yeah. I think it might be a dogging site as well, this. It's a bit out of the way, innit? There's people scattered about. You turning round then?
Yeah.
Got dog shit on the foot.
Convertible?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll turn round in that gravel.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't turn on it. You have to go straight now.
Eh? Where are we going there, right?
That's right, I think, yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, I've seen that. I've seen the dust come up. Yeah, it's not the best place to come, this. There you go, we've explored it before someone else does, and if they watch the video they'll know not to come and do practices. But if they want to come here and look at the chimney factory...
It's a cheese factory then.
How do you know?
I remember Rachel saying, but also it's got
Cheese factory?
It's Cathedral Bridge here, aren't we?
Possibly, yeah. Well, if someone watches it and they know, then why not tell us? I think... Oh, it's got bloody cheese things there, Cathedral. Yeah, we'd pretend you didn't see that and still tell us.
There's lots of cars just abandoned everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah, definitely dogging. Oh, that, like that one there. How are the wheels off? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this super?
Mobile phone 1 disconnected.
Do it.
Well, that's not good. Oh, they do.
Well,
In our next one.
sure it'll be alright this one.
I'll get this one, Baz.
Nah.
No, Baz, honestly, I want to go in this time. Mark.
Yeah.
Mark's got the petrol again. It smells lovely, that. Right, oh, bump. At least ask for a phone number or something. Can you still hear me? Cough if you can. I know you can. In fact, I'll get it.
You buy 30 scratch cards?
No, I bought 4 and done 4 on the Euro Millions. You know what I got? £5.
Thank you. Alright, number 6, please.
I'm with him over there, thank you.
Sorry?
I'm with him over there.
You're with him over there?
Yeah,
It's okay.
as a couple.
Alright.
She wasn't very nice.
I think you thought you were going to rob it back.
Yeah. Well, she's bloody lucky I didn't. Oh, these gloves are shrunk. So, gloves update.
You do scratch my bike again?
What? On a tank? Yeah, must have done. Oh. So. Wait over there. Right, well, is it my turn to get petrol next time at least?
Yeah.
That's 3 times in a row you've got it now. What's that? 140 quid or something? 150?
Need a drink as well.
There you go, into neutral. Love that. Where do you want to stop?
Just somewhere that sells stuff. I've had nothing to eat all day because we went to the dentist.
Oh, sugar, yeah. Sugar. Oh, crikey.
Sometimes I felt like I was getting told off by the guy.
When's the last time you went to the dentist?
2 years ago.
That's probably why.
One appointment, 500 something pound I think, and he's 25 minutes longer. How is that possible?
What's that appointment for? Just getting your bank details?
You're a crown. What can we do with crown?
I didn't know you had any crowns.
Hey,
Yeah.
what about hey?
I thought they just put little pieces of chalk in.
No, I've got a proper implant and about 7 or 8 crowns. Which the guy pointed out, more than half your teeth are knackered, he's not even halfway through his life.
Well, little does he know. So when are you starting the procedure?
2 weeks I think.
Are you not getting turkey teeths?
Nah, not now, no.
Are you going to wait till the big 5-0 for that?
I don't get them all done if I was in pain. And the only option is to let them out. That is it.
I didn't hear anything you said then. What, the car in front? The car in front's going for it, do you say? Don't lie.